Hey there, team members. I'm coming to you with a very important message about our future together, financial future, quality of life, and what's going to happen to us collectively and individually as we roll out of summer, which we're right in the middle of, into fall and winter. So if you're at the team meeting or any of the team meetings recently, we went over these numbers here, right? So here we're talking about listing inventory. So what we can see, this picture will be down below in the email, as you can see that listing opportunities have been down between 10 and 30% every month this year, and it's not going to get any better, right? So fewer listing opportunities. And then also we're in a market here, when we look at sales, sales were down 15% last month in terms of units, all brokers combined. And then the month before that, they were down 9 and then 7. We don't think that's going to change either, right? So what that means is, for us as a team and you and I individually, is there going to be less listing opportunities and selling opportunities as we go into the year. So what we want to do is create our own future. There's plenty of business out there. Our market share isn't 100%. That's probably about 10, 11%. So that means 8 out of 10 transactions, 9 out of 10, we don't get, right? But we can if we take the right action. So what I want to do is encourage you to sign up with me and Lindsay and your teammates together for this program called Prosper. It's going to be an all-day event on Wednesday, July 18th. You can sign up on BackAgent. This is all focused on, this will also be in the email, this is all focused on going out and getting listings. It's what we need to put into our storehouse so that we'll have successes as we move into August, September, October, November, and December. And in this workshop, it's going to be very unique and different. It's going to be very cool. We're going to have some of our top producers in the company share with you what they do in preparing for a listing, kind of the pre-listing packet, what they do on a listing, how they service the listing. So that'll be practical application. Then we're also going to have some instruction on listing presentation, communication, persuasion, dialogues, conversations, what features and benefits of our different tools, and then actions and activities. So we're going to cover these things. We're going to get together in small groups, and then in between meetings, so then we meet this next Wednesday, and then the following Wednesday for half a day, the following Wednesday, the following Wednesday. So this is kind of like a 4-week-long program. We're going to be in action creating our future, and I want you to join me. Sign up in BackAgent. If you have any questions, please see me. But this will be really, really big, really important, really powerful, and setting you and I and everybody up for success if we take this action. So join me. Sign up in BackAgent. If you have any questions, let me know. I look forward to seeing you at Prosper. Thanks a lot.